All right, so guys, we are going to add a design on the trouser right sideways. On the trouser right what sideways. So the design that we are going to make, this is how we did it. The trouser length is length 31 inches, so this one too is length 31. She get. All right, so this is how we did it to make it this way. So the actual length was the actual weight length was 1.5 inches right here, and so we folded some parts here and we folded some parts here. This side, both the left and right, we folded onto it, and we folded it onto it all and iron it all straight to the down part, both to the end part. So you get the front, the left and the right. So it's make this one right here. So it was 1.5 and now when we folded it, it has been what half, almost 1 inch, and now it has been almost 1 inch, as you can see right here, almost 1 inch. So this is what we are going to use for the trouser right sideways design. And so to make it or to start stitching it, we have ironed this part that we have stitched. When we join the front and the back, we have ironed it to make it come this part. For the meantime, we have ironed it to make it go this side, go to the right side. And so when we put it on it like this, when we stitch it on it, this fabric is not gonna stitch on it. So we are going to first start stitch on the right, or let's see the right part. So after stitching on the right part, we got iron this one to back on this side and to stitch the left part. So I hope you have got what I'm talking about. So we are going to start stitching it. So we are about to start stitching it. So we are arranging it. So we are going to put it under the sewing machine like this. And so as we showed you, it's almost a 1 inch. So we are stitching it. We are putting it onto the sideways. Please watch the way I am stitching it carefully, so that when you are doing yours, you're able to stitch it easily. But it's not gonna be difficult for you. So we are stitching it from the top to the down part. So we are making the plug well, so that the motor run the way we want it to run. So let's get it. We are stitching it straight from the top to the down part to add the design on the trouser right sideways. So we are stitching it. Please watch this carefully, so that you're able to see exactly how we are doing it. So please watch it carefully. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه وسع كرسيه السماوات ولا يحوزه حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. صدق الله العظيم. So guys, we have first stitch. The first part. We have stitched the first part. So remember, we are making a trouser right sideways design. So we have stitched the first one. So we are going to turn it back onto the iron table like this, and to iron this part to make it go like this, to come and stitch the left or the last part. So we are going to iron it and come and stitch the rest. All right, so guys, we have done iron it to make it go to this part like the what do we call this, the right part. So we are going to stitch the last part. So we are joining the design, the straight design on the trouser right sideways. So we are going to start stitching it from the top to the down part. We have already stitched this the left part, and so we are going to stitch the right part straight to the down part. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. ولم يكن له أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. So guys, we have done stitching this part 2. We have done stitching this part, so we are cutting the excess part, we are cutting the excess thread from it, and so this is actually how it's looking after stitching the design on the sideways, or the right sideways, after stitching the design on the right sideways. This is actually how it's looking. So please, if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you all.